dual-action random orbit backing pad for car detailing. With unique tapered 29-degree edge, offers excellent edge flexibility. 51624 UNF thread, weight 0.26 pounds, 0.12 kilograms. Works with angle DA random orbit sander, max. RPM 10,000. Made of polyurethane. AST4606 Features, dual-action random orbital backing pad for car detailing. With unique tapered 29-degree edge, offers excellent edge flexibility. Works with angle DA random orbital sanders. Pad is made of polyurethane 5/16-24 UNF thread. Maximum RPM 10,000. Product type: backing pads. Use: buffing, polishing. Quantity: single. Dimensions: overall product weight -1 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Good backing plate. Having worked for years as a professional RV detailer, I view a product like this from a critical viewpoint. A backing plate that fails can cause serious damage to a very expensive RV. So far I see this as a good backing plate. I run a Porter cable 7424 at medium speed, and this plate has worked well for me. I will update if I see problems.